All right, team, here we go. So we're on the Digital Imaging 2 site, and one of the things that I'm going to show you guys is how to use Canvas in conjunction with our content site. There is an app for Canvas, which is super exciting. You can get onto your phone and access the site this way. There's a Canvas student app as well as a Canvas teacher app. You guys would get the Canvas student app. It's a yellow sunshine. And once you have the app, either through the Google Play Store or through the iTunes Store, you would be able to access this. You'll just be using your FSU login to get a hold of that. So what we're going to look at is you're going to click into the online course that you are signed up for, which is Digital Imaging 2 with me. And you have access to all of this stuff: announcements, chat, discussions, people, Google Drive, files, quizzes, pages, assignments, modules. Modules is going to be a really important part of what we're doing, so I'm going to click into that. This actually is the way that everything is ordered in the site. So when you are working with the modules, you should go step by step through what it's looking for there. This is an extremely important part of it. You can also hand in your files digitally on your tablet or on your phone. Now, don't worry if you do not have a smartphone, you can access everything through your computer. This is just going to be a way for you to work on the go, or really be able to see the content of the course as we move along, to kind of help yourself be reminded. The other very important part of the project set here is there's a to-do section. Right now it's well done because you have done everything, but that's because there is no actual assignments yet. So there will be things that come into the to-do section. There's also a calendar that comes into play here, which is pretty cool because all of my deadlines will be placed onto your calendar. So I totally recommend for you to use that. You can do discussions and their conferences right here on the phone, and you'll be able to see how that goes. Send grades to Banner is me, actually. This is where it shows the dashboard, which shows all the courses that I'm signed up for, as well as the calendar. So the calendar is saying that I've done everything. It's got my little sleepy pandas in a hammock. I love that. But as soon as we get into the course content pages, you'll see that what is important for you to do on those days. So you can see I will be having virtual office hours. You guys will be able to contact me through the conference on Canvas. You can read information on that on the announcements. It says, welcome, watch the video. You can click on this and see what we're supposed to be doing. Share your Google username with your instructor. This is a quiz that will help you guys to see what to do. So this is going to be an essential way for us to communicate. All of the content for your assignments will be on Canvas, and it will be accessed on the app. There's not really going to be very much difference between Canvas app and the Canvas that's on your computer. So that's something to keep in mind. I have 0 things in my inbox, which means I've been keeping track of what my teacher is sending me. That's pretty cool. So exciting to see what's going on with that. There are notifications. You can choose to turn the notifications off, which is a really good thing. If it feels like I'm spamming you, you can, because it will send it to your Ferris email, but you just need to be responsible to always check and see the deadlines that we will be giving you and how to hand in the assignments. Now, if at any point you guys have questions about how to use Canvas because this is new, or how to hand in assignments or anything, I really recommend for you to use the conferences. The conferences are ways that we can discuss. If you need to schedule that, you can use the email. You can click on the People tab and use the email to get a hold of me. You can also get a hold of all of the other students in the class by clicking on the People tab, and it will give you an access to who they are and their when you do an email, we'll send it through the Canvas site. So this is a new process for us. I'm really excited to use it. I think that there's going to be a lot of really cool things that we're going to do together. And that's just the intro to how to use the app on your phone and how to use it on your computer. So when you do use it on your computer, you're going to go into the login for Canvas. You will have to use your login for your computer here. I'm going to jump into the course, and basically the home page has all the modules on it, the announcements and the modules. You can arrow these through. You can see that you'll need to complete items, so you'll need to hit the next button and the next button to see if you're going to get through there. Later I will show you guys how to do all the other projects, but we're just getting started on how to use the online learning system that is Canvas. So welcome, and I just really encourage you guys to contact me if you have any questions. We also have available to you the student online learning stations on the 7th floor of the Digital Art and Design program on the Fountain Street building. Those student online learning stations have a camera. They have the solar sun halo-like light that helps you guys to have good lighting with your videos, and there's a microphone. So the microphone, I'll just bring it into view right here. It is the Blue Yeti microphone. It's really fantastic, and so you'll have access to using that. When you're on the go, you can use your camera on your FaceTime camera, or you could use your phone camera would be another way to communicate, or you can just do it through emails and Google Drive. So there's a lot of ways that you guys can work with me, and let's just make it work however makes sense to all of us as we go along. All right. Talk to you later.